Hello children, in today's video we are going to take zeros of the polynomial. So what is zero of polynomial and how to solve questions which are based on zeros of the polynomial, we will discuss it. Before taking the definition of zeros of the polynomial, I want you to discuss some questions with me. Suppose we need to find out the zeros of the polynomial px is equal to x plus 3. Now, what is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial here? For what value of x? For what value of x, the given polynomial is 0. That means what should I put here in place of x so that the whole polynomial will become 0. So it is very simple. Plus 3 is there. It means that if I will put here minus 3, so minus 3 plus 3 will give me 0. But from where this minus 3 comes, that I will explain you. So what you need to do for that, just put this polynomial x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 is equal to 0 and plus 3 will be shifted that side. So x is equal to 0 minus 3, which is equal to minus 3. So you have seen minus 3, if I will put here, so I will get 0. It means minus 3 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 3, right? So let us take one more question to make it more clear. Suppose we have x square minus 16. So process is same. Whatever polynomial is given to you, make it equal to 0. So x square minus 16 is equal to 0. So from here minus 16 will shift that side. So 0 plus 16 will give us 16 only. So x square is equal to 16. The value of x will be square root of 16. So what is the square root of 16? So some of the students, they will say plus 4. No, not only plus 4, plus minus 4, because plus 4 also, the square of plus 4 will gives us 16 and the square of minus 4 also 16. So we will take here plus minus 4. It means that the zeros of the polynomial of this polynomial, the zeros are plus 4 and minus 4. Now if we need to check our answer whether this answer is correct or not, so what we will do, just you need to put the values of x which we have found just now, plus 4 and minus 4, in the given polynomial. So first plus 4, so if I will put here plus 4, 4 square minus 16 will give us 16 minus 16, which is equal to 0, and x square minus 16 was the polynomial. So I will put here minus 4 in place of x. So minus 4 square is 16, minus 16 is equal to 0. It means that whatever calculation, whatever zeros of polynomial we have found here, it is correct. So in this case, zeros of the polynomials are plus and minus 4. Now have you noticed anything in the two polynomials? Now let us take the first one here, x plus 3. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree is 1 and our zeros of the polynomial, that is the answer, is also 1 minus 3. In the second question, the degree of the polynomial is 2 and how many zeros we have got here? Plus and minus 4, 2. It means that number of zeros of the polynomial is equal to the degree of the polynomial. It means that whatever degree of the polynomial is there, you will get that much number of the zeros of the polynomial. If the degree is 1, you will get only 1 zeros of the polynomial. If the degree is 2, you will get 2 zeros of the polynomial. If the degree is 3, you will get 3 zeros of the polynomial. So I hope you understood with the help of these two questions how to find the zeros of the polynomial. So let's now take the definition. What definition says? Definition says that a zero of any polynomial is defined as real value of x for which the given polynomial is or becomes 0. That means zeros of that polynomial is the value of x for which the given polynomial becomes 0. For what value of x the given polynomial will become 0. Right? This is the only definition. So let us take one more question to make it more clear. Suppose we have a question x square minus x minus 20. We have to find the zeros of the polynomial. First we will put it equal to 0. Now after seeing this equation or polynomial, I saw that this is something which is related to the splitting the middle term, right? So what the middle term says, we need to find two numbers whose product is minus 20 because minus 20 is there, and by adding or subtracting the same numbers we got minus 1 because here minus x is there, so minus 1. So what are the two numbers? The numbers are 4 and 5, although the numbers are 10 and 2 also, because 10 into 2 is 20, but 10 and 2 will not give us minus 1, neither 10 plus 2 nor 10 minus 2. So the numbers are 4 and 5. So let us check the possible numbers. So either 4 and 5 both are positive, or 4 and 5 both are negative. Either 4 is negative, 5 is positive, or 4 is positive, 5 is negative. So let's check what is the correct pair of numbers. So here you have seen we need minus 20. It means whatever two numbers we are taking, out of that two numbers, one is negative. But we need minus 1 as their sum or difference. Minus 1. So when we will get the minus 1? Only when the greater number has a negative sign. This means that in 4 and 5, 5 must contain negative sign. The numbers are plus 4 and minus 5. You can check it. If I will multiply plus 4 and minus 5, I will get 4 5s are 20 with negative sign, and plus 4 minus 5 will give us minus 1. It means we have taken the correct pair of numbers. So now let's split the middle term. So what we will do, x square will remain as it is, minus 20 will remain as it is. Only in place of this middle term minus x, we will put plus 4x minus 5x, plus 4x minus 5x. So you can check it. 4 5s are 20, minus 20 with negative sign, and 4x minus 5x will give us minus 1x or only x. Right, now you need to make the pair. X square plus 4x is one pair, and minus 5x minus 20 is another pair. So in this first pair, x is common, so I am left with x plus 4. And in the second pair, minus 5 is common, I am left with x plus 4. So you need to be very careful that whatever is there in the first bracket, the same should be there in the second bracket. And let's check whatever we have taken out the common, is it correct or not. So let's open the bracket. X into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, correct. Minus 5 into x, minus 5x, and minus 5 into 4, 20 with minus plus negative sign. That means whatever common we have taken out, it is absolutely correct. Now x plus 4 and x plus 4 is there, so we will take out one x plus 4 outside, and we are left with x minus 5. So x plus 4 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. It means that either x plus 4 should be equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. So from the first equation we have got x is equal to minus 4, and from the second equation we got x is equal to 5. It means that if I will put the value of x either minus 4 or 5 in the given polynomial, the answer will be 0. So minus 4 and 5 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus x minus 20. And you have seen here the degree is 2, and we have got how many zeros of the polynomial? 2, right? So as I already told you, the number of zeros of the polynomial is equal to the degree of the polynomial. Now let us take one more type of question where we need to verify that 1 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial px is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. So we have to check whether 1 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. So it is only possible when I will put 1 and 2 in place of x in the given polynomial, and it will give us 0. So first we will check with 1 and then we will check with 2. So if I will put x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial, I've got 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 square is 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 2 as it is. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. It means that x is equal to 1 is giving us 0. Let us check for x is equal to 2 also. So after putting x is equal to 2, I got x is 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 2 square is 4, 3 2s are 6 and plus 2 as it is. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 minus 6 is 0. It means that 1 and 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial x square minus 3x plus 2, because after putting the value 1 and 2 we are getting answer is equal to 0. So I hope you understood today's topic, how to find zeros of the polynomial. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.